Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm going to review Al Zara Mandi restaurant biryani, mutton biryani. It's very famous mutton biryani you will get in Al Zara Mandi. There are many restaurants, Raidan, Al Zara Mandi. Because I like Al Zara Mandi because it's completely Hyderabadi style. I have placed already order on Swiggy, waiting for the delivery. Actually, each pack it's 800 rupees. 2 pieces of mutton, a total two pack. I have placed the order to 4 pieces of mutton piece, big mutton pieces we will get. I'm going to review the biryani and I will let you know what is the quantity, how much quantity we will get in each pack, and the taste is really good, especially Hyderabadi style biryani. Okay, I'm waiting for the delivery. It's showing 40 minutes. Already reaching to my destination. Once I get the biryani, I will let you know. Okay. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, finally I have received the biryani, okay, from Al Zara Mandi. Okay, this is chutney, spices chutney. This is also same thing. So 2 pack, they have given 2 pack. Okay, and what is this? This is mayonnaise, garlic mayonnaise, I think. Okay, this is Al Zara Mandi. Okay, it's Arabian Indian Mughlai Tandoori. This is each pack 800 rupees. It's cost you 800 rupees Zomato and Swiggy. If you have some discount coupon, you will get a discount on this, or else you have to pay GST, traveling charges, everything you have to pay. It's very hot. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, what was that? Ooh, sorry. Okay, one more. I'm holding in my one hand and removing this. Okay, let's keep aside. Okay, this is Al Zara Mandi, and in each pack 2 mutton pieces. Here also 2 or 3, I'm not sure. I'm going to open and I will show you. Al Zara. Okay, Al Zara Mandi. This is spices chutney. It will be spicy, not too much spicy. Okay, already if you go to the restaurant they will give you more, but this time on online order they have given only 1 pack for each. Okay, let's open and I will show you the quantity of this biryani on each pack. Okay guys, let's start unpacking this biryani, mutton mandi biryani from Al Zara. Okay, this is the pan I have taken. It's almost 1 kg. Okay, 1.5 kg. Okay. Al Zara Mandi, you can customize if you want more masala, extra masala. You have to put in the description when you place the order. Accordingly they're going to give you extra masala, but already they have mild spices in Al Zara Mandi because it is a completely Hyderabadi style. See, its look, aroma, and the rice is very good. Okay, this is basmati. Okay, I can put in. Okay, oh wow. Okay guys, this is the mutton piece. Give the spoon. In pack, 1 pack. Okay, these 2 big mutton pieces they have given. Okay. See the rice. Okay, mutton piece. Okay, let's another one. according to me, they have given less quantity. But if you go to the restaurant, the quantity will be more. But it's fine for 2 people. They can 2 or 3 people. They can easily have it. This biryani. So another one. Okay, another pack. It's see, fried onion. They have put fried onion and kaju. Okay, let's add it to the pan. Wow. Yes, I think it's going to be fill completely this pan. There's 1 kg, more than 1 kg pan, this one. Okay guys, see the piece now. Let's zoom it. Okay, wow, it's very good. This the mutton is already tender very well, you can see. Yes, wow, it's very soft now. Yes, it's very soft mutton. Okay, you can have this with this chutney, the spices. I'm not sure whether we're going to use this garlic mayonnaise with biryani. That is the best, I think, for me. But this chutney is good.
Tomato salad.
Tomato chutney. This is tomato salad type. For every mandi they will give this. In different restaurant they will have different type, and here it's green chutney or red chutney. In Raidan hotel they will give green, here it's red in Al Zahra Mandi. Okay, now it's time to have this biryani. It's dinner time. Okay guys, see you in next vlog. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you want to place order, you can place order on Al Zahra Mandi. You can try it. Okay, I like this biryani. Okay, see you in next vlog. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye, see you later. Okay, it's time to have this biryani. Okay, it's look good. The mutton is very tender, very soft. Okay, let's eat now. Okay, it's good. It's basmati biryani.